I'm gonna make this video to clarify things. Hopefully, I'm right too. But I believe that there are four major findings, and they're all in this paragraph right here on page 14. So the first and then these findings on over here on page 15, 16, and whatever's left to 17 are secondary findings. They're more of the interactions that go on in the middle of all the data analyses. So they're not really the major findings, and I don't think they need to be discussed in the discussion section. But anyways, so the first major finding is right here, first sentence. That is the first major finding. The second major finding is right here. It's the second sentence. Ends right here. And then this right here, even though it's a really small and seemingly insignificant finding or sentence, it is major finding number 3. And then this one right here, this last sentence in the paragraph is major finding number 4. So I think that, yeah, those are the 4 major findings. We've identified those. And to further reiterate and maybe get a better picture, that whole paragraph is table 2 in a nutshell. So here's major finding number 1. This is major finding number 2. This is major finding number 3. And this is major finding number 4. Now, as far as the hypotheses go, oh shit. Babe, can you get that? Oh my god, seriously? Anyways, so hypothesis number 4, there's not actually, Ashley and I saw your picture, and I noticed that you had 4 hypotheses, and that they were in here. But actually, there's only they only identify 2 hypotheses that they did, and that is right here, the first sentence right here, or the second sentence right here. We evaluated the hypotheses that mindfulness leads to lower effective forecasting error by measuring trait and state mindfulness. And the second paragraph, or the second hypothesis that is in this study is right here. And that is that they predicted that those high in trait mindfulness and state mindfulness would be more accurate in the prediction of their affective experience to important emotional event. So those 2 hypotheses were tested, and the results for those hypotheses are right here. So the first 2 sentences is hypothesis number 1. And this last sentence in this paragraph is hypothesis number 2. So our job is to take each of these main findings, discuss, or tell the readers what it means, and discuss briefly what the implications are of these findings. So we'll do that for each one, right? Like, I don't know, like 2 paragraphs on each one. Or 3, I don't know. But that should be the discussion section. Hope this helps out a little bit.